not male.
Lab meeting 5 minutes. Don't make me wait. Get in there, please. Okay, everybody here now. Let's start. We'll go around the room. Ian.
So I've been trying to inoculate a bunch of plates, but the strikers for the Bunsen burners are just broken. I can't seem to make any fire.
Back in my day, we had matches and other ways to start fire. Have you tried an alternative thing to your flint?
Well...
Hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, 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 hookah chaka, hookah, hookah.
Next, Betty.
I'm having all these problems related to the grant for the deadline. The references are all messed up and I just don't know what to do. I have to hand type everything.
Well, back in my days, we didn't have a computer. We didn't have EndNote.
Get no satisfaction. I can't get no good reaction. 'Cause I tried, and I tried, and I tried, but I tried. I can't get no. I can't get no. When I'm riding.
Margie.
I'm trying to grow some Gila cell lines, and it looks like there's some contamination.
Oh, you know, back in my day, we had no laminar flow hood. We worked in a moldy basement, but we didn't get contamination. So what seems to be the problem here? Is somebody sneezing in your tissue culture?
You know you are a cute little heartbreaker. Foxy. Yeah.
Pengfei, what are you doing these days?
Yeah, I'm doing a lot of pipetting, and it's taking a lot of time to do them all one by one. Is it possible that we buy a multi-channel pipetter?
You already have your own automated pipetter. What's the problem with that? The one that you have right now?
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. Music loud, women walk, being kicked around since I was born. Never tolerate, I don't hate, and you may look the other way, but we can try to understand and do your time, love ain't not bad. Whether you're a brother or whether you're a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, and we're staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
Next, Mel.
Well, I'm actually doing a ton of PCRs. I'm trying to genotype about 500 mice, and it's taken up a lot of my time, so I'm not really getting much else done this week.
Back in my day, before there were thermal cyclers, we used to do just as many PCRs as you're doing now.
I made it through the wilderness. Somehow I made it through. Didn't know how lost I was until I found you. I was beat, incomplete. I've been had. I was sad and blue, but you made me feel. Yeah, you made me feel shiny and new. Like a virgin.
Next, Claudia, little Claudia.
Well,
Well, I've just been working on my presentation for the retreat. It's so stressing, and I've been doing the PowerPoint.
I don't understand what the problem is here. Back in my day, we had to draw the slides out ourselves. And it's very, very important because the slide police will be at the retreat. You know that.
No!
In general, you have to realize how easy you have it these days. Remember, in New York, I had to fight traffic just to get to the laboratory. And if you talk to my professor, Michael Heidelberger, and you can read his article in the Annual Reviews of Biochemistry,